Most email marketing tools do email. GetResponse does email, and it also includes live webinar hosting, a website builder, a course creator, and sales funnels, all in one platform. In this review, I'll show you exactly what GetResponse includes, who it's built for, and whether the price is justified in 2026. GetResponse is an email marketing and automation platform built for small and mid-sized businesses, marketers, coaches, and course creators. It combines email campaigns, visual automation workflows, webinar hosting, landing pages, sales funnels, and a built-in course creator in one dashboard. What makes GetResponse different from a pure email tool is the webinar feature. On the Creator Plan, you can host live and on-demand webinars directly inside the platform, including registration pages, email reminders, and post-webinar follow-up sequences. No third-party webinar tool required. GetResponse has 4 plans. The free plan supports up to 500 contacts with email newsletters, a website builder, and landing pages. No credit card required. The starter plan is $19 a month and adds unlimited email sends, basic automation, and an AI email generator. The marketer plan is $59 a month and adds unlimited automation workflows, sales funnels, abandoned cart recovery, and advanced segmentation. The creator plan is $69 a month and adds webinar hosting, a course creator supporting up to 500 students, and a website builder. All paid plans include a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. Pricing scales with your contact list size. The standout feature is webinars. GetResponse lets you run live and on-demand webinars directly inside the platform on the Creator Plan. You get registration pages, automated email reminders, and post-webinar sequences, all connected to your email list without needing Zoom, WebinarJam, or any separate tool. Beyond webinars, the Visual Automation Builder lets you trigger emails based on subscriber behavior, tags, and lifecycle events. The marketer plan adds sales funnels and abandoned cart recovery for e-commerce businesses. And the course creator on the creator plan lets you deliver online programs directly to your subscribers. GetResponse makes the most sense for coaches, consultants, and course creators who want to use webinars as a lead generation or sales tool and want that webinar infrastructure connected to their email list without paying for a separate platform. It's also a strong fit for e-commerce businesses on the marketer plan. The abandoned cart recovery and advanced segmentation are built specifically for product-based businesses. Where it's less suited, if you're a creator who just needs email, Kit's free plan gives you 10,000 subscribers versus GetResponse's 500. And if you need a full all-in-one funnel platform, System.io covers more ground at a lower price point. GetResponse sits in the middle. More than a pure email tool, less than a full funnel suite. GetResponse's free plan is available with no credit card required. Link is in the description. If you want to explore the paid plans, all plans include a 14-day free trial, also with no credit card required. Same link takes you to pricing. I've also put together a full review on the WealthForge tools site with a detailed pricing breakdown and a comparison with System.io. Those links are below. And if you're evaluating other email tools, I've reviewed Kit and System.io. All links are in the description. If you found this useful, the full review is at WealthForge Tools, link in the description. If you're finding these reviews helpful, a like helps more people find them. Subscribe for more tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.